Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I am a licensed real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today we are looking at one property and I'm going to try something a little bit different because I found that if I did multiple properties per video that it took me longer to get them out. So I'm going to start doing one property per video and trying to post all week long. So Monday through Friday, you're going to get a new property, but it'll just be one per video. So let me know what you think about that. If you like it, if you don't, whatever. But I think it'll be easier for me to get all these properties out to you instead of trying to do 3 properties in one video every time. So yeah, I think this is going to work out. The property that we're checking out today is located in Rancho del Oro, which is right outside of Ajijic. So it's like West Ajijic. And this property is amazing. It's 3 stories, including the ground floor, which is the garage. So it's an underground garage, and then it has the second floor, which is your main living area with kitchen and all of that, and then your third floor is your bedrooms and whatnot. So it's a pretty modern design. It's contemporary, but it is absolutely beautiful. So if you are into that kind of design, this is the house for you. Before we get started, I need to plug our businesses. If you are coming to visit the area, we have a bed and breakfast right in Ajijic Centro. We share a wall with the Lake Chapala Society, which is right next door to us. And it's a good hub for expats when they first move to town. If they want to get to know some people and get to know the area and find out information about different things, they have a little restaurant in there too. But our bed and breakfast is attached to our cafe. The cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And both businesses won Best of Lake Chapala for best bed and breakfast and best coffee for the last 3 years. Our bed and breakfast is walkable to everything. You're right in Ajijic Centro. You're about 2 blocks away from the plaza, 1 block away from the Malecon. Very nice area. So if you are looking to come and stay in this area, talk to me about that. We have incentives for people who are here shopping for homes. So if you buy property with me, we have incentives. So just ask about that. To get to the website for each of these, you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, and there will be a link for the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and also our MLS is on my website. So you can get to all of that from the website. And then if you go to the contact form, you can fill all of that out. If you have questions for me, if you want to set up a tour, buyer tour, if you are looking to sell your property, you can contact me that way as well. And so, yeah, just go visit the website and you can get to all of that. And let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $1.2 million US. It's a 3-bedroom, 5-bathroom on 3 levels. Construction size is 684 square meters or 7,363 square feet. The lot size is 539 square meters or 5,799 square feet. It is not located in an HOA. It comes furnished and it's in West Ajijic. All right, guys, the home in this video is located right here. So all of this property is part of this house. Here's the pool that you saw in the back, and the little casita slash third bedroom is here. This is all the main house right here. So this property is actually located in Rancho del Oro, which is a pretty popular neighborhood that people like to live in because it has a lot of beautiful homes within here, and the roads are nice and wide, well taken care of in that area. So it's pretty nice. And if we zoom out a little bit, you'll see that we're kind of located in West Ajijic. So this is Ajijic Centro here, and then if you take this highway down, the house is kind of here located in West Ajijic. Really nice restaurants that you have around you are Pasta 30. They just moved from Ajijic Centro to this area. Mariscos Peter is really good. What else is around here? Casa Linda is a very good restaurant. And then down in this area around here are some really good restaurants. Deshanti is excellent. There is also, see if I can find it, the brewery is over here, Corazon de Malta. And I think it's right over here, I believe. It's not showing me. Blue Rose. Oh, Blue Rose is very good too. Here it is. Here's Corazon de Malta. La Fiesta restaurant is here. The French bakery that we get our pastries from at our cafe is located right here as well. Best French pastries in town. Best. They're so good. They're delicious. So all of that would just be like a quick drive down this road and into this area. You could even walk there if you wanted to. I would say the nearest grocery store to you is probably Pancho's, which is located just outside of La Reserva. So if the house is over here, La Reserva is down here, this is Pancho's right here. So all the homes in this area pretty much have, I mean, if you go higher up in the mountain, obviously you're going to have a better lake view, but you're also going to have some of this mountain view here too, which is really nice, especially during the summer, during rainy season. All of this gets so green. It's so beautiful. So from this house to this excellent restaurant over here, which is Casa Linda Restaurant, is a 3-minute drive. From this house to your nearest grocery store, which is Pancho's, is a 4-minute drive. From here to Joco Centro is a 27-minute drive. And just so you can get an idea of what's going on in this area. So we have Chapala here, San Antonio, Riberas is right here, and you get into La Floresta, Ajijic, San Juan Cosala is here, and then into Joco. To go from this house to Ajijic Centro is a 9-minute drive. To get to the Guadalajara International Airport from this house is a 41-minute drive. Not bad. Today is Sunday at 2 p.m. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did and you want to see more in this price range, you can click right here for the playlist for this price range, or you can click right here to subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.